Hey guys, it's Mimi and sorry for the bad lighting. And I just have my doggy, the emoji, and this Build-A-Bear. And I'm gonna start videotaping here. And sorry for the background noise if you hear any background noise. Okay? Okay. And I'm gonna be recording here when I do like opening, unboxing, like toys and all stuff. And I love Animal Jam, so Christmas I am going like a bunch of like other Animal Jam toys. But my sister, she just bought me this one because like she's not gonna be here on my birthday, so birthday present. Okay, she bought me the DJ. Okay, she bought me the DJ Club. The DJ Clubhouse. And it plays the music, and it is 2 weeks free membership. Here's Arctic Wolf, the hit game. And it says, wait, what does it say? Exclusive Diamond Arctic Wolf. And working spotlight closer to the beats. And I get the scratching thing. And yeah, and then here's the little imposter dude. And then here's like the back. Okay, let me get a little bit like more better lighting. Yeah, I think that's more better. Here's the back. Just gonna, ow! Yeah, and we're gonna do like more of like those like little toys. And yeah, we're gonna like buy this for like a Christmas, but I just found it at the Toys R Us, and yeah, and I was gonna buy like a different one. But my sister, she was like, oh, I saw this one. And I was like, okay, I'm getting that one. So, and yeah, let's play these beats. Wait. Wait. Oh. And yeah. And I'll be doing the free membership, and sorry about the background, I told you, and background noise, and if you hear any background noise, and yeah, and thank you for 14 subscribers. Bye. Well, yeah, 14 subscribers.